IIT Ranchi was established as an institute of national importance by the Government of India. It has received an overall rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. How is the BTech course here? Let's find out in this detailed college review, starting with its placements rated 3.8 out of 5 stars. Students report that companies including Infosys, TCS, Flipkart, Paytm, Google, Amazon, Nvidia, and Brandon visit IIT Ranchi for placements offering roles such as software engineer, ML engineer, data analyst, UI UX developer, computer programmer, and graphic designer. In the 2023 placement drive, official statistics indicate 108 placement offers from 48 companies with the highest package of 83.38 lakh per annum and the average package of 16.7 lakh per annum. However, according to student reviews on Shiksha.com, placement opportunities in 2024 were less favorable compared to 2023 due to economic recession. The highest package this year ranged between 21 to 28 lakh per annum with an average package of 12 lakh per annum. Compared to the neighbouring states, IIT Lucknow, IIT Ranchi needs some catching up to do in terms of average packages offered to BTech graduates. Regarding internships, students have interned at companies such as O9 Solutions, Logic Food Technology, and Astra. IIT Ranchi offers a 3.7 rated BTech program across 4 specializations including computer science and engineering with data science and AI and electronics with embedded systems and IoT. The program has an intake of 360 students. The eligibility requires a minimum of 75% in 10+2 with admissions based on JEE main ranks. A quick look at the JEE main cutoffs indicate that while overall competition has eased in the recent years, there is intense competition in CSE in 2024 compared to other specializations. As for the cost, the annual course fees is approximately 3 lakh with an additional 18,000 mess charges per semester. Scholarships are available for students demonstrating academic excellence, those from economically disadvantaged backgrounds, individuals with disabilities, and from reserved categories. Moving on now to the 3.7 rated infrastructure. Currently, IIT Ranchi operates from the ARTTC campus in BSNL, while its permanent campus is under construction at Sanga Village, Kanke in Ranchi. Students note that the new campus is expected to be completed by 2026. They also highlight that the temporary campus offers spacious classrooms, well-equipped laboratories, a library with ample resources and campus-wide Wi-Fi. There are separate hostels for boys and girls that are operational at the National Games Housing Complex, Khelgaon, Ranchi, located about 7 to 8 kilometers from the classrooms. The mess facilities require improvement according to students. Since the permanent campus is yet to be completed, there is no dedicated ground for individual sports. Turning to faculty and course rated 3.9 stars. Most faculty members at IIT Ranchi are IIT graduates with PhDs in their fields. Students appreciate their support and effective teaching. While some students find the curriculum industry relevant, others feel that several subjects are focused primarily on exams with limited practical application. Moving on now to the 3.7 rated campus life. IIT Ranchi offers a variety of student clubs and activities catering to interests in coding, music, poetry, dramatics, and sports. The institute hosts several technical, cultural, and sports fairs such as Quasar Hackathon, Concours, and Ephemeri. Lastly, as for the rankings, IIT Ranchi is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024 report. For more details on IIT Ranchi and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.